Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to try and fix my DJI Mic 2. Basically, it went through the washing machine and the tumble dryer. I mean, normally I have a lavalier mic connected to the 3.5mm jack, and then that's clipped onto my shirt or whatever, because I go out like hiking and bits, even though I've got a spinal problem, and I do videos and stuff like that. So I'm always scared of losing it. So normally I have it connected to that, but because I've been converting this Vauxhall Vivaro into a camper, sometimes I just do bits to the camera. I didn't really need to set all that up, so it was just easier to clip it on. And unfortunately, like I say, I left it in my pocket, and yeah, went through the washing machine and the tumble dryer. Now it still does actually kind of work, and sometimes switch it on, you do get the flashing green light, and then it goes off or it'll go red, and it does seem to flash when it's actually charging. So I think it's actually the battery. So what I did is I went on AliExpress, and you can get them for about 10. In the end, I got mine for about £4.60, and it came with a few like phone accessories, you know, when you take the screens off and stuff like that, and that's the battery. So it may be just the battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take this apart. Now, first of all, this is not a tutorial on how to do this. I'm not qualified in all this kind of stuff. I'm just having a go myself. So again, if anybody thinks that I'm doing it wrong, I probably am doing it wrong. I know that. At the end of the day, I just thought I'd just share my experience. So what you need to do, from what I found out, is you've got to kind of take this clear part off that's actually like glued down and then got clips on or something. Now, the only thing is I don't have one of those little hot air things to actually get it through. But I do have, and don't laugh, a pink hairdryer, and also like a paint heat gun. That's probably going to be too much, so I probably won't use that, but that's it. So what we're going to do is try and actually take this apart and see if we can replace the battery. If it's anything else that's gone, like a resistor or something like that, then I'm not going to be able to do it. So anyway, hope you stay with me for this video and see if I can cock it up. The one thing is, after I've took this off, these do have a bit of weather sealing on them. It's probably not going to be weather sealed after I've done it, because I'll be just gluing it down. But again, for me, it's to go in my pocket. I've got the DJI Mic Mini now, but I don't actually like it. It's too small, and I can't attach a 3.5mm jack. It was just, that was cheap at the time, so I just don't like it. I still prefer this. So I want to see if I can do it, and again, for basically a £5, it's worth having a go. So let's get on anyway. So let's try with the hairdryer. I just want to heat it up a little bit and see which way in I can go. I'm going to try with a knife. And just to reiterate, this is out of warranty. So if I ruin it, it doesn't matter. That seems to be doing something. I wish I'd had nails. Careful. Because there's like a clip there and a clip there. I'm getting somewhere. I think just score around right now. Try heating it up again. Aha! There we go. Not that much damage. Right, unfortunately I hadn't got the right screwdriver to actually get the board out. I tried every screwdriver I've got, including flat ones and everything else, and I just couldn't get it out. Well, basically, I now have found one, but what I did is I cleaned it. I give it all a good scrub with some IPA and cotton buds and an old toothbrush, well, a new toothbrush that I use just for this kind of stuff. And I was very surprised, switched it on, and then it did actually work, and it was charging and things like that. So what I've done is I left it on charge, and then I tried it, and I've actually filmed a few videos with it as well, and it's actually been working absolutely fine. And you can hear at the moment it is now working. So I'm not too sure why it's actually working. The only thing that I can think about, because it is sealed, and if there was still a little bit of water in there, because I cleaned it down with the IPA, and then, like I said, I also then got the hairdryer on it as well, just to make sure, and because I'd used the hairdryer as well before to get the lid off, so whether there was a little bit of moisture there. Now, what I have done is I've got one of these cheap little USB microscopes. Now, I have put it under the microscope. I'm not too sure, I'm putting the footage on screen now, I'm not too sure if there is any corrosion still, because some bits do look a little bit like that. But remember, this board has like that kind of like waterproof coating stuff on it, so I can't really tell. I'm not too sure. And again, this is only like a VGA 640 480 camera, so it's not the best in the world. So like I say, I'm not too sure. Now, all I can say is it is working. I was going to replace the battery, and so I've took it apart again, and like I say, I've now found a screwdriver, and I took the two screws out, but the board won't come out. You've got to kind of take the front part off, and just watching, I think, a Taiwanese one, someone trying to tear one of these down, and it gets a little bit more difficult there. Now, because this is now working, I don't want to take it apart to replace the battery. I'm unsure about the battery, let's put it like that, but this has gone through now 4 or 5 charge cycles. I've left it on. The battery seems to be as it was. So really, I've got a working microphone, so I don't really want to possibly cock it up for something that is working. Now, if it stops working, then I am going to replace the battery, so there probably will be a teardown for that. Because like I say, I did have the little mic mini, and I think in the intro to this, I said about losing it. I filmed that a few weeks back now. And yeah, I've actually lost it. I know I had it in one of my camera bags when I was going out somewhere, and now I can't find it. I've got the little charging unit. So yeah, but I thought I was going to lose it out in the field, so I didn't. I've lost it somewhere. It could be still around in the camper somewhere. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this at this, because like I say, it is working. I don't want to risk basically breaking it and stuff like that. So all I can say is, if yours has gone through the washing machine, just take that top off. If you've got some IPA, give it all a good clean with some IPA. Make sure then it's fully dried off. Get a hairdryer or something. Make sure it's fully dried off and stuff like that. Leave it for, like, I left mine for about half an hour, and then come back, and then it's working. So just check that. And again, like I say, to replace the battery, you do need to take that part out, 2 screws for the board, and then it's popping up the front, and then there's another 2 screws in there, and then you can take the board out and get to the battery, because really the battery does just literally clip in. Make sure if you are taking it out, there is a little ribbon cable at the bottom. Just be very, very careful of that. I'm not going that far, like I've said. So at the end of the day, now it's working. Before I started filming, it wasn't working. So it must be there was either moisture or me cleaning the IPA. How long this is going to last, I don't know. So I may update that in a future video. So if you want to see my proper content going out in the camper photography, camper build, all that kind of stuff, stay tuned, because if it does break, I'll mention it in one of those videos. So make sure you subscribe for updates. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one. So bye for now. Bye.